Good morning everyone, just woke up. What a nice sunny morning it is, but it meant to cloud over this afternoon. But I'm still warming up for shorts and t-shirt. I'm on my way to Eastbound for the Airshow called Airborne. The flying displays start at 2:30 today, and that's my favourite plane, the Red Arrows. So I cannot wait to see the Red Arrows this afternoon at 2:30. Just got a 2-hour train journey ahead of me, but I'm not looking forward to. That's the 4 hours sleep, but be all worth it when I get there. Good morning everyone, I'm at Barnum train station right now. Just gone past 5 minutes past 9 in the morning. I'm just on my way to Eastbound for the Airshow. But I've got a slight gut feeling that today might not go my way. You want to know why? Look at these clouds cover. These clouds looking quite low. For the Red Arrows to fly, the clouds cover need to be above 4,000 feet. And apparently, when I checked on this Ringu app, it's saying about 2 o'clock when the Red Arrow is supposed to fly over, the clouds are only meant to be 1,500 feet, but it's 1,600 feet. So I hope I don't get let down. I really hope not, because I've been looking forward to seeing the Red Arrows. I'm going to the Airshow for weeks, so I don't want to get let down, because it is a 2 fucking hour journey from Bognor to Eastbourne, and I only had a 4 hour sleep, so I want today to go smoothly for me, because if it doesn't, I will not be happy. I'll be well upset if I don't get to see my favourite planes today. But finger crossed, a lot is on my side. Just hope these clouds don't affect Eastbourne. Finger crossed they won't. Hopefully not. But the temperature is just perfect right now. It's set 18 degrees. Going to be high 22 degrees by the afternoon. A 30-mile-per-hour wind from the south-southwest. So it should be good. Even if the flying doesn't go on today, it's still nice to get out and about and use some new content. I haven't been to the Eastbourne Airshow for 5 years. Last time I went there with my brother, because I normally go to Bournemouth Airshow. But because the Red Arrows are going over to Canada tomorrow, today is their last UK displays tour, so it's the only time I can get to see them, so that's why I'm going today. But yeah, I will catch you all in a bit. Got a 2 hour journey ahead of me now. Got to go from Bognor. I'm at Barnum now, so I've got to go from Barnum to Brighton to Eastbourne. All in all, return ticket cost me £25. Not too bad. Could be a little bit cheaper, but it's not too bad for the price. But yeah, I just hope these clouds do not get too low, otherwise the Airshow might be cancelled. But so far so good. I checked on the Eastbourne Airshow website, and they're saying the flying display are still going ahead at 2 o'clock. 2:30, the Red Arrows are kicking off the Airshow, so they are still going ahead at the moment. See what happens in 2 hours when I get there. If I get there and they say, "Oh, sorry ladies and gentlemen, the Airshow has been cancelled due to low cloud cover," then I'll be pissed off. That means I had another 2 hour journey back. So in all, I'll be travelling 4 hours today. But at least I've been paid from work, so not a big deal. I just hope it goes my way today, hopefully. So fingers crossed. Right, I'll catch you all later. My train is due at 9:23 and it's 9:05 now. So I'll catch you in a bit. Hi everyone, just at Brighton station right now, waiting for my train to Eastbourne. We only got 4 stops to get to Eastbourne. Yeah, this Brighton station, it's so weird being back in Brighton. This is my hometown where I grew up when I was a little kid. I know back of Brighton off by heart. I know every little spot in Brighton. It's crazy to be back here, you know. This is platform 8. This is the platform I used to get the train from this platform to go to Falmouth to Brighton Amex Stadium to watch Brighton play. I used to get the train from this platform 8. And where I used to live when I was in care was up there on that hill right there on Dyke Road. I used to live. And then once I left care, I used to live in Devonshire Place by Brighton Pier on Kent Street. So it's weird being back in Brighton. If I didn't have the Airshow today, I would gone around Brighton again, and of course I do miss living in Brighton because it is my hometown. It will always be my hometown. But this is how many stops we got today. Going to Eastbound. 4 stops we got. We should get to Eastbound for about 7. But yeah, we only got 4 stops and that's it. But look how busy it is. Very busy. Here at Amat Stadium where Brighton and Hove Football Club play. I remember watching this being built when I was in care. I do miss going to the football game here. Good morning everyone, just made it to Eastbound in time for the Airshow. Took 2 hours and 10 minutes to get here from Bognor. The weather's looking okay, hopefully for the Red Hours. Stay like this, should be good. We've got the famous Eastbound Pier over there. The Red Hours are due at 2:30, weather permitting. Stay like this, should be good. The clouds got high enough, so that's good. But just under 3 hours to go until the Red Hours. Starting to get busy now. So I just need to try and find the best place to go sit to get some good footage. Yeah, Eastbound Pier. Right there. Last time I was here was with my brother Jonathan and we sat down there. So this time I need to head this way so I can stand right under when the Red Hours fly over. They'll be flying right over here, just down here. So this is Eastbound everyone. I haven't been here for 5 years. Last time I've been here, you know. So this is what Eastbound Airshow looked like. But I'll show you now. Temperature sitting at 20 degrees, nice and warm, with 30-mile-per-hour winds picking up in the afternoon. It's nice and hot in that sun. This is shot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and as you can see, every time I'm at there, so it's always mega busy. So the Red Hours are due to fly over at 2:30. Hopefully the weather stay like this and it'll be a full show. But I've got the feeling it will be a rolling show today because of the cloud base. The cloud base meant to be 1,600 by the time they get here. See how many people they are. We get more busier when we get down further. That's normal for the air show. Yeah, so it'll be all good. Got my hand by my pocket. But there's all the different stores. I'm going to try and walk far because I hate minute busy. The big oil platform, oil rig or whatever, at sea there. But yeah, this is a 4 days event, guys, running from Thursday the 15th of August until Sunday the 18th of August. And the weather looking for that Eastbound Air Show, it's looking good over the weekend. Tomorrow you've got the typhoon performing tomorrow afternoon. Today you got the Red Hours at 2:30, and then you got the Royal Heritage flight with the Spitfire, Mustang and Lancaster bomber. The wing walkers have been cancelled for today, yet again for technical problems. But that's normal with them. They can't fly in like 30-mile-per-hour winds being tied to the plane. So that's what you expect. Yeah, you've got a lot of public toilets about if anyone needs toilets and that. You've got public toilets there, of course. And so remember, if you need a toilet, they're free of charge. And they hear the bandstand where they'll be doing all live music and that on Sunday with the fireworks going off. Well, yeah, it took me 2 hours to get here from Bognor, and I'm here until 6 p.m. weather permitting. Well, that sun is nice and hot. It's a free event, of course. It run every year. This is the 30th anniversary of the celebration of the Eastbound Air Show. And it run every year in August. So yeah, so we've been back here. Last time I was here was with my brother 4 or 5 years ago. So, geez, so many people. It's unbelievable. I know Airshow, but still, I hate it when it's that busy. I really do. I'm going to get busier if I go down. Just need to find the right spot with the red arrows will fly right over my head. That shot I want to get. So, it's going to get more busier the further we go down. But like, you've got a lot of pop-up bars here for food, drink. So, they do cash and card payment. So, but remember when here, look after your belongings.
Yeah, trousers.
Oh, people. Whoa. So not too bad out to sea, so should be all good today. Should be all good. How long it stays sunny night there, it'd be good for the red arrows. So I'd be well annoyed if they can't do their proper shows today. I will be, but look how busy it's going to get. Further on you get down, it's going to get mega busy. Right, what you expect for the Airshow? I need to try and find the right spot where the red arrows will fly over. I think here they're going to fly right over.
You gonna hold my hand?
Yeah, they've got the red arrow stand here, so this must be they're going to be flying over here overhead at 2:30. Yeah, this is the spot where they're going to be, so that's good. So they will fly right over here at 2:30. This is the red arrow store. Or the red arrow store. So they should fly right there. 2:30, flying overhead to out there. So it should be all good. Cannot wait to see them, you know. I'll be in my element when they fly over. But of course, guys, if you're new to this YouTube channel, of course, I'm Stuart Allen, the photographer and the drone pilot. Of course, click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell. You'll be notified every time I update new YouTube videos. Of course, I've got ADHD, learning difficulties, and also dyslexia. So if you see me out and about, remember, treat people how you want to be treated in life. Work both ways in this world, bro. And remember, snitches get stitches, and bullies get what they deserve. But yeah, I think I'm at the right spot where they're going to be flying right over what I remember from looking online. And yes, you cannot fly this.
So any prize that you like here today for one with only votes. If you like to play, you like to join in with us. Give the game a try, give it a go now. It's only prize one with only now. Who's going to be the next lucky winner?
It's so weird being back at Eastbound again. It really is. Last time I was here was 5 years ago. Nice sitting spot there. It's a free event every year. So yeah, the Typhoon is flying tomorrow. For people who want to know. It's great weather for it. Sun is out now. Down on the beach now, and I know where I'm going to sit. Because if I'm correct, by looking on YouTube, these are the two buildings that the red arrows will fly over. What I remember, they will fly over here like that, literally. If I'm correct, yeah, should be here or there, one of the two. But I want to stand right under them when they fly right over, get that shot. Yeah, just 11:30 in the morning, sitting at 20 degrees, but it's nice and warm. Even though it's windy, it's still warm. It's not too busy yet, but it will do this afternoon. We've got a lot of public toilets as well if you need a toilet, so it's good. My God, tower there. Hope you can hear me all right. So what I need to do, I need to stand by one of these speakers so you can hear the announcement of the red arrows. So yeah, it's hot. It's hot, but it's good. Great weather for flying. If it stayed like this, it'd be perfect. Take pictures of the different colours from the red arrows. So the Spitfire's flying today and the Mustang this afternoon, so it should be all good. So cannot wait. It's going to be good. This is a 4 days event, one every year. So weather permitting, but should be good. A lot of sitting spot here. If you want to sit down, you can sit. Some of these you have to reserve seats in advance. But cannot wait for the red arrows. I'll be in my element when they fly over. You will not understand how excited I am about seeing my favourite plane. After 2 years I've not seen them. For last year I couldn't go to the Bournemouth Airshow Festival because there was a bloody train strike. So I cannot wait to see the red arrows today. I really cannot wait. Yeah, hope you're enjoying this. Of course, everyone, please go subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called David Evans, please. The Nomad Brothers. And Crazy Music, please. And also, if you're new, of course, I'm Stuart Allen, the photographer and the drone pilot. 25 years old, single, got ADHD, learning difficulties and also dyslexic. But I don't let that affect my life. I live my life to the fullest, with no regrets. And I give people the same energy and the same respect that they give me. That's how I've been brought up. So I treat people with respect and kindness if they treat me nicely. If they treat me like shit, then I will treat them like shit. And like I say, anyone snitch me up to the police or my friends or my family, they have to pay the price, because that's how it worked in this world, bruv. But yeah, but you didn't expect this today, did you? Me coming to Eastbound. It weren't 100% certain that I was going to come here. It was all down to weather permitting. It was. But I'm glad I bloody came now. Just annoying part, I was waiting for my favourite plane, the red arrows. So the flying displays start at 2:30. And I'm literally half an hour walk to Beatsy Head. So, but it should be all good today. Just perfect temperature, not too hot, just right. It is. So yeah, I know where the red arrow is going to be flying over. So I'm going to go back there when I do. So, should be all good. You can see it's busy, but not too busy yet. I've seen it busier than this before. And surprisingly, it's not too windy yet. It's meant to be gusting 30-mile-per-hour winds, but it's not even that yet. The clouds are looking quite high up for now, so long as it stay like this, should be good for flying. I hope. But when I came here with my brother 5 years, we sat down here, I remember. But yeah, it's one of why the quality is so sharp, because I'm filming this on the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, everyone. That's why the quality is so sharp. Of course, I've got all my camera equipment in my bag, all charged up, ready to go. Today, photos I will be shooting on is on my Nikon D3500 camera with my 70 to 300mm lens. So, it'll be all good. If you want to go on Eastbound P, you have to pay when the Airshow is on. But this way I sat last time with my brother and his fiancée Suzanne. We sat right here, and the red arrows fly away, come out, the bank out, then they come along here, over the pier and along. Saying that I can't come here tomorrow, see the typhoon, but I've got work tomorrow night, so I have to go back tonight. or if I can get a spot to stay tonight, if I can get a hotel to stay here tonight, I would. Then I would get to see the typhoon tomorrow, and then that'd be me all in my element then. But see both of my favourite plane, the Red Arrows and the Typhoon, are my favourite plane, including the Spitfire and Mustang. But yeah, they did what it like in Eastbound, in East Sussex, in the UK, on Thursday the 15th of August, just coming up to 11:45, and it ran 20 degrees, warm enough for shorts and t-shirt, even though it's 30-mile-per-hour winds, but doesn't feel it because we shelter from the headland of the cliffs that beats the head. About an hour drive to Hastings. But yeah, we walk down there and then that'll be done. Then I will walk back to where I need to be ready for the Red Arrows. But what a nice weather for the air show. Because if it was going to rain today, I would have come all the way this way. Because it is a long journey, 2 hours. Yeah, this is Eastbound Pier, everyone. Bloody heartburn. I brought a hoodie just in case if it gets chilly later. When it goes cloudy, because it's supposed to go cloudy around 3 o'clock. But yeah. You've got a lot of police about for keep us safe, so what is good. But yeah, it's so nice to be in this one. So I've got a few hours to kill, and yeah, be all good. All different stores. Look out there, you've got this like platform out, see there? See there? We're kind of looking platform. But like I say, we've got the police here to keep us safe throughout the show, what is good. After everything that's been going on recently. And if you look over there, you can see Hastings. Look. That Hastings over there. And just around the corner from there is Camp San and all that, but that Hastings and distant that you can see. So yeah, it's going to be a great air show today. And look at the weather, you cannot beat it. Right guys, catch you in a bit when the Red Arrows come over. Have an ice cream guys, with a flake, cannot beat it, and a Coke as well. Got 2 hours to wait until the Red Arrows. They ain't due in until 2:30, so I'm just waiting. Found a good spot to sit. Here's just there, and they should be just flying over here. So I found a good spot for when they fly over, so it should be good. Got a lot of different aircraft flying today, it should be good content for you guys. And all the photos I will get, I will update later as well. Good afternoon everyone, just at Eastbound right now, waiting for the Red Arrows. But we'll be coming into the show at 2:30 this afternoon, and the weather is looking promising. So I'm in the right location for them. They should be flying over here, long and up, depending on the cloud cover here. If not, it'll be a rolling show. They've got all this view, take pictures of them. Should be good. How busy it is as well. Now right by the speaker so you can hear the announcement. Now where the sun is. So it should be all good. Cannot wait for them. They should be flying over there. I try my best to get videos and pictures at the same time. So it should be all good. Half an hour to go guys until the Red Arrows, and it's starting to get cloudy, so I reckon it's going to be a rolling show today. It's annoying, but if you look in the distance, you've got my favourite coming, the lifeboat. You the lifeboat on its way over. And the inshore lifeboat as well to the left. Got an all-weather lifeboat to the right and an inshore lifeboat to the left. Look how busy it is. It's going to be a rolling show by the look of it. Very busy now.
For the great afternoon separate this afternoon. What a better way to celebrate the 30th anniversary than to also celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Red Arrows heading here in a few minutes' time. We've already got Red Pen on the ground, he's going to raise the volume up, and of course do the best they can, and maybe bring them in height with that power, but nonetheless they've got such a...
Yep, speed rolling show then. The cloud base.
As best they can, and we're very, very lucky indeed to get them. All sorts at the start of the season, they've been long gone by this week, but they're not actually departing for another couple of days. They've got back to action, ready to go. Some kind of motion out there, particularly for children, really happy children today, and we need happy parents. So even though they've got a cloud cover, make sure that we want to just have on tennis something, and of course Olympic sports as well. Although our wind is pretty cool, nonetheless, still good for dehydration. Now, you've already seen the notices, you heard the one, no drink, no current, no balloon. So putting anything in the air, it's rubbish. We want to take all of it.
Here we go.
Are ready to go.
Here we go. My favourite, the Red Arrows.
Would you all please put your hands together, shout, scream, and make some noise to welcome Red 10. Good afternoon, I am still in the Great Cat on the 10th. CC5 with Royal Air Force, Aerobatic Team is the Red Arrows. I have the honour of talking these boots to display today. These more information about teams, some real information about the pilots, and more importantly, I'll get your eyes to the very sky to not miss a single second of the action. I said, great to be here back at Eastbound. We had it 18 last year, this year, and we are fully aware we actually all departing with 48 hours time for departing our aircraft over to Canada. So this is pretty much our last UK show before we depart over to Canada. We have one more UK show, it's on the 5th of October we get back. We're pretty much this is our last UK show, so certainly our last seaside show. One of my favourite teams back here at Eastbound. I say we're back bigger and better than last year, and we before those that saw us last year and the previous year saw us as an 8th or a 7th. But we are back to our full-time aerobatic play for 2024. And it's great that we get a cover out of together and put on our famous 99 formation in the skies of the United Kingdom and all across the world. Knowing that 2024 celebrates 60 display seasons, it's our own diamond anniversary, and therefore once again it's also great to put our diamond 9 in the sky. The team are airborne, we're operating out of Royal Air Force area in Hampshire today. They are airborne, I'm just trying to make contact with the red ones. Make sure that all their people around is secure and they're ready to get themselves in for the show. So three types of shows that we can do is either full show
Just how busy it is.
or a flat show. Nice determined either by carpet or airspace. Unfortunately, Eastbound, the best we can get is actually a rolling surge into the airspace above. This is if you get into that airspace, it's usually not given here in Eastbound. But predominantly today it'll probably be the cloud base, which is speaking made by Red One. We need a cloud base of about 2,500 to 3,000 feet for a rolling show and 1,000 feet for a flat show. That decision will not be made by Red One in about 10 seconds before you go into the show. I said extremely busy season so far. We usually do about 65 displays in the UK.
Not long now. Any moment now. Hope you can hear everything all clearly.
And they're all getting themselves into the correct formation. When they arrive, they'll arrive at our world famous Diamond Animation, burning off red, white, and blue. And to make sure when we arrive, give a huge round of applause, give a huge cheer. I'll transmit that cheer on the radio to the team, and they'll certainly give them an extra cheer up to part of the registration today. Well, please.
Yeah!
Instead of arriving in our world famous standing line, we all red, white, and blue wailing out rear. Red one immediately brings them around the left. You can see that platform of our world famous standing line. With red one bringing the team around the left. It's now the time that demonstrates to me he started the show left. And you now see red 8 and 9 split with red 6 moving up the 7 into 9 arrows. In from the left, the smoke comes on. Once again, it's those red arrows. Keep your eye on red 8 and 9, which are on the out with its local form on rail back and change the shape into red. Leading the team this year, we have a new team leader, new red one, forming a jump on, Eric and Cindy. Following from the team for 5 years before taking the year out and then joining us back in 2024 as the team leader, red one. We now see the team change formation ever slightly on the 6th of June 2024.
So good to see them again. I'm in my element now.
Overall, the course was 2 days. The storming of the Normandy beaches during World War II. And the celebrations and commemorations, all those that took part and tributes to those that paid the ultimate sacrifice. The team reversed around to the left in Spitfire. On the right of red one is red two. After which he then joined the 6 or 7 as Campbell Scottish Line for areas beyond war, where he received an Air Force shot for his service on operation over Afghanistan. His opposition on the left-hand side of red one is red 3, red 7 Wales, known as Subsea. Also in his first year of the team, he's producing Zimbabwe, a former Sergeant pilot with 11, 41 and 29 scores based on country. Totals on from red 4 and 5 and team continued around the left. At the end of November 2023, it was the 20th anniversary of the final flight and one of the most iconic aircraft ever in aviation history. As the team roll out, there is no mistaking the wonderful and majestic shape of Concorde. There are up to 11 pilots in the lower count. There's 29 displays for you. There's myself, Red 10, former Tornado GR4 pilot, former qualified flying instructor. And of course, we are commanded by Wing Commander Adam Collins, OC Rapat, former Tornado GR4 pilot, and he also flew the F-111 while on stage at the Royal Australian Air Force. We now see the wings of the Concorde flex forward as red 89 move out with 6 and 7 split. Get your cameras ready, it's the colourful Phoenix. middle of that right wing is red 4.
Right guys, I'm going to stop now and take some pictures.
It's been an honour and a pleasure. Please,
Yeah.
for the 2024
See you next year, guys. Woo! Woo! See it. That was awesome. Until next year. See it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. We've got some good photos as well.
It's been an honour and a pleasure to support you today at Eastbound. These are our last show before we go off to Canada. I can't hang around that much. I mean, maybe about 15 minutes up in the village of the shop. I do have the when I was drinks with me outside, if anyone wants to buy one, they're £10 each. They're paid by cash, paying the free. If you like more information about the Venaros, we are across on Facebook and
Happy to
all the pilots on their own account on Eastbound and Aria, where you can find me and find the rest of the pilots. Have any videos or pictures, please hashtag Venaros, pick them up, they'll share them across social media. So being an earlier generation, of course, you have to have a slack here, this sound of power or agility or design that some of my modern parts get to in the Royal Air Force Convention. We'll still nonetheless be able to put this through a variation of different maneuvers, power rolls, and also varying the speed, of course, because this has got quite a good sort of speed envelope from 350 knots back to gentle speeds in central really for the early aircraft. You see, it's again now to start the second half of the afternoon, and I hope you enjoyed that chat with Mike Marsh. So it was absolutely fascinating to talk about how this whole show began all those years ago, 30 years ago, and he was there right at the start. And well done, Council for keeping going for so long, and may it continue. But of course, as he underscored very clearly, it's all about financing. And if you want to see fabulous aircraft like this one coming in now from our right-hand side, then it is a team effort to raise the money. So this is an extraordinary aircraft. It's an aircraft that was designed way back in the 40s, but now at the sharp end of aerobatics. Please welcome Richard Goodwin in the jet pits.
Right, this one.
Yeah, fantastic looking aircraft, isn't it? And that's his trademark with knife edge low level pass just to get going. Though he didn't have the jets to enable him just to keep him to that full hover position, but letting the power of the aircraft, and this is all about energy management. We're using also the height and the speed of the aircraft to add to the power that the engine is giving you, to give you the energy to pull up into yet another destroying maneuver. Really hanging on now, he's going through the full levers in, but tumbling it on the top there, a couple of slip rolls right at the top end. This aircraft very much modified by Richard himself, built from scratch over a period of four years, based on the S2S aircraft, but incorporating a whole load of different modifications, particularly the size of the wing with massive ailerons, giving it a huge wing area and a phenomenal roll rate, as well as a better low-speed handling envelope to work in. When he refers to as the muscle biplanes, you may recall his red and white Union Jack aircraft G Whiz that he flew for many, many years here. This one now very much the efforts of his own work and design. He's very committed, very passionate engineer as well as a pilot. And he has really taken this to new heights, literally just letting the aircraft fall through its own smoke there, descending down, keeping it under control, trying to get, I mean, he's virtually at zero forward speed there, but can't quite get the hover. The heart of it is a massive, great 6-cylinder, 8.5 litre Lyconic 540 engine, of course, with the added smoke as well to give that effect. Carrying it up again, then to literally bleeds off every knot of the airspeed that he has available to him. And you can see him drifting there in the strong wind as well. Probably a little bit bumpy coming over Beachy Head at the same time, but well, it's nothing compared with what he's doing with the aircraft himself. If you like jumping in a washing machine and putting it on fast spin, do not try this at home. You can see there the massive size of those wings and large air it gives them compared to the...
Not good for the Mustang, they have an engine failure.
I had an indication there it is coming in the left-hand side, so you saw it well before I did. It's a bit restricted down towards the pier in there. But coming in low and slow. Only to join in the OB10 Bronco. Brilliant machine, very respectable.
The Mustang not working it, they have an engine failure, so it's just been turned back to base. Right, bad news guys, that's the end of the Airshow display. Sadly, the two aircraft that we were supposed to see now, with the Spitfire and the Mustang, are not flying because the Mustang have a technical issue, so yeah. That's annoying, and yeah, sorry Dean, you can't get to see your favourite plane today, the Spitfire. Yeah, but that's the way it is with the Airshow. You never know what can happen with these old aircraft, guys, so you just always need to be prepared. But I'm glad I got to see the red hours. That was epic earlier, I was in my element. But yeah, well on a 2-hour journey back home now. But yeah, 2 weeks time I'll be at the Bournemouth Airshow maybe to see the Typhoon. So yeah, I will catch you all later. Bye for now. Hope you enjoyed today. Remember, click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell. You've been notified to update new YouTube videos. And of course, please go subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called David Evans, Curzy Media, and the Nomad Brothers, please. And catch you all later. Bye for now. Just got back home, guys. If you want to go to the best fishing trip here in Bognor, this is the place to go. It's really good. So I just got myself large chip and 2 Savoy and Coke with curry sauce. You cannot beat it after a nice day out. That's it now. Nice little treat to myself I've done today. No more treat now until my holiday, because I need to start saving up for spending money for my holiday. So that's it now for the fun until November and December for my holiday.